Hello everyone, let's solve this nice expression. We have over here 2 to the power of a multiplied by 7 to the power of a equal to 50. So these are different bases. So let's solve for a. We have the first thing here is to have our solution. From our solution, our question implies 2 to the power of a multiplied by 7 to the power of a equal to 50. So here, what we need to do first is to first take care of the left hand side by considering this identity, which implies if you have base A and base E with power n and power n of both, we can rewrite both as multiplied by base B into bracket, then the power exponent comes out of the bracket. So let's express this in this form. So we now have that to be 2 multiplied by 7 into bracket to the power of a equal to 50. And from here, we multiply what we have in the bracket, and that 2 times 7 give us 14. Then to the power of a equal to 50. Now, we take the log of both sides. We have log of 14a equal to log of 50. From here, this exponent will be moved to the base. So we have a log of 14 equal to log of 50. Over here, we need to isolate a. Now we isolate this a by dividing both sides by log 14. So if we divide both sides by log 14, we are going to have a will be equal to log 50 over log 14. Now from here, from both denominator and numerator, we can simplify both log. So we have a will be equal to log of 50 can be simplified as log 5 multiplied by 10. While at the denominator, we can do that as log 2 multiplied by 7. Now from here, from our rule or identity of logarithm, if we have log of a multiplied by b, we can put it in the form of log a plus log b. Considering this identity, then our next step to this one will become a will be equal to log 5 plus log 10 over log 2 plus log 7. So from here, we have this expression, and we need to take use of our calculator over here. But from our log 10, because all these logarithm are of base 10, so log 10 of base 10 over here becomes 1. So our next step becomes a equal to log 5 log 10 to base 10 equals 1 over log 2 plus log 7. Now we find this with our calculator, and this likewise this that are in the denominator. So if we get the value of this from our calculator, likewise the expression at the denominator, then our a will be approximately given as 0.699 plus 1 over 0.301 plus 0.845. So, and if we resolve this, our A approximately will be given us from the numerator 1.699 over 1.146, and if we divide the whole of this, and that is approximately given us 1.483, and this will be the value of A. A is equal to 1.483, and this is our value of A, 1.483. So we need to check for this value to confirm our earlier question of the right hand side to the left hand side if they are going to be equal together. So from that we have to check. Then here we have 2 to the power of A multiplied by 7 to the power of A equal to 50. So here we simplify this as 14 to the power of A equal to 50. So if we insert the value of A, which is 1.483, we have 14 to the power of 1.483 equal to 50, question mark. Will that be the same or will that be equal to each other? We find the value of this in our calculator, then we are going to have 50.081, which is approximately equal to 50. So we can conclude that 50 is equal to 50.